Good evening. Anything that we discuss is going to be for educational purposes. I'd like to welcome you all to Digital Trading Floor. It's a platform where we disseminate financial data in real time to provide actionable insights. Objective for making this video is to analyze Nifty options, open interest data. We would be analyzing the index spot on multiple time frames and framing a view for tomorrow, 28th September. So let's start by analyzing Nifty options, open interest data. If we see the overall open interest data for 30th September monthly expiry contract, you will see that highest amount of open interest in calls is at 18,000 strike, followed by 17,900 strike. So 17,900 and 18,000 are likely to act as a strong resistance for the index. And if we see the puts, highest amount of open interest in puts is at 17,800 put strike, followed by 17,700 put strike. So 17,800 and 17,700 is likely to act as a strong support. So broadly speaking, we are trading in a range of 18,000 to the upside and 17,700 to the downside. And you will see the change in open interest data intraday. Today it shows that highest amount of open interest addition happened at 18,000 call strike, followed by 17,900 call strike. So tomorrow 17,900 and 18,000 are likely to act as a strong resistance levels based on the overall open interest data at these strikes. And if we see the puts, highest amount of open interest addition in puts is at 17,800 put strike, followed by 17,900 put strike. So tomorrow 17,800 would potentially act as a support if market trades lower. So broadly speaking, we're in a 300 point range, 17,700 to the downside and 18,000 to the upside. If we analyze the index spot on multiple time frames, here you will see on the monthly time frame we are under control of buyers as we are trading above the monthly open of 17,185 levels, and today was start of a new week, so the weekly and the daily opening are the same. So today below 17,932 we had a situation where there was conflict between monthly as well as the weekly time frame, and the daily and the weekly time frames open are the same as today was start of a new week. And if we see the price structure, here you will see today we have basically broken previous day lows. So in terms of trend, there is no clear cut trend um, on the index, and potentially if we trade tomorrow below today's lows, and then it could be a start of a potential new downtrend, because if that happens, then we would have a lower high and a lower low. So tomorrow is a very pivotal day and it's Tuesday as well. So on Tuesday basically what happens is, on Monday, if market basically trades lower, so on Tuesdays there could be a reversal. So it could be that tomorrow could be an inside day, but I would be more biased towards the short side. But as a trader, we have to be prepared for all the scenarios. So we get the following scenario: if we trade above 17,855, we can trade towards 17,943 levels, and beyond that potentially 17,981 and 18,029 levels. However, I would be focusing on the short side tomorrow, only if we trade below 17,802 level. If that happens, we can potentially trade towards 17,732 levels and potentially 17,661 levels. And the neutral price range for tomorrow is 17,855 to 17,802 levels, in which one can refrain from making any trades on the index. And I like to remind you that I would be sharing a long short stock watch list for tomorrow in a blog post, and I would be sharing that before 10 p.m. tonight. Basically, I usually have all the stocks ready at this time also, but I usually analyze all the future stocks So there are approximately 170 plus future stocks. So I would be analyzing them again, and I would probably be making more additions. But right now, if I see our stock watch list, I have only one share to the in which I would have a positive bias. In all other stocks, I have a bias which is towards the short side only. So I would also be adding more stocks once I finish analyzing all our underlying FNO scripts. There are 179 stocks, so it takes me time to analyze those. So I would be sharing my analysis for stocks before 10 p.m. So do check that out. I would be sharing that on Twitter. And before ending this video, I like to summarize. Tomorrow, above 17,855, we can potentially trade towards 17,943 levels, and below 17,802 levels, we can trade towards 17,732 levels and potentially 17,661 level. And broadly speaking, we're in a 300-point range of 18,000 to 17,700 for the monthly expiry series, and the option max plain data is at 17,750 levels. And I like to thank you all for watching this video. Do hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to Digital Trading Flow YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.